Go po.
Kyotsuke, Seiza, Mokso, Mokso Yame, Shomini, Rei, Os, Kiritz, Kyotsuke, Rei, Os. We're gonna do a cool down exercise in karate. Down. Okay. Then up. Then kibadachi. Hold your knees. While doing this, just continue breathe in. Then slowly breathe out. Then elbow to your knees. Same thing. Breathe in. Then slowly breathe out. Face to your right. The other hand, push the knee. Slowly breathe in. Then breathe out. Then other side, face the other side. Same. While doing this, just continue breathe in. Then breathe out. Then again, elbow to your knees, both. Continue breathe in, breathe out. Then hold the floor. Slowly straighten your knees. Hold it. Then try to touch your toes. So touch each knee, san, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ku, ju. After that, slowly sit on your right foot. Both foot should be flat. It's like doing a side kick position. Same, while doing this, continue breathe in, breathe out. Then slowly go to your other side. Then, other side again. Try to do a toes up. And slowly touch your toes with your other hand. Hold your position. Then, yame. Other side. Toes up. Then slowly try to reach with your other hand. Yame. Okay, then slowly stand up. Slowly shake your legs. Shake it. Shake it. Okay, then slowly hip rotation. Go. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ku, ju. Reverse. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ku, ju. Then arm winding. Counting. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ku, ju. Reverse. Ich, ni, san, shi, go, ro, sich, hach, ku, ju. Okay, then extend your left hand, then twist. Then other hand, extend, then twist. Then pull your elbow, tricep stretch. Okay? Then other elbow, same. Then hold your chin up. Hold your head down. Then side. Then side. Okay, yummy. Kyotsuke. After the cool down, you go back to kneeling position. Seiza. Hands on your lap. Then meditate. Mokso. Close your eyes. Slowly breathe in. Then slowly breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Then slowly breathe out. Mokso yame. Open your eyes. Sensei ni Rei. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Then kirets. Stand up. Yotsuke. Rei. Os. Okay. Ayos. Thank you.